Hello Sharon, how are you and the rest of the team? And that indeed said this audio ndikutende from the bottom of my heart. Pamwe chete netimu yese yanga uchishanda nayo including Percy. Vamwe ndingatadza kuvaziva nemazita avo. But please pass the message to say kuti ndati ndinokutendai zvakanyanya. On behalf of Gogo, vazukuru avo, nekunotese. Tirikuti thank you so much. Nebasa rese ramakaita. You know how it was. It was so difficult behind the scenes. It was fire. At some point we thought, oh my God, teachers Kwanisairi, but you were there and you were like, oh, we're going to pull through this. And you were giving me assurance as well. Those words were very kind. Ndinokutenda zvakanyanya chokwadi. I said, I don't know how she does it because you are just amazing. Down to earth person, you could live there for more than a month there, helping Gogo, Mchivaka, Mchibika. That was really, really amazing. Honestly, you were well brought up. And your parents, honestly, they are blessed to have you as their child. I'm saying this from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for pulling this project for us, which we tried to do so many years and we were failing. And you know what? Do yourself a favor. I want you to pat yourself at the back and say, you know what, Sharon, I did so well. I was able to pull through a project which but you were able to do it with no time. Honestly, I'm really proud of you, how you did this. It's so amazing the work you did. My pictures and I honor the home is so amazing. I'm sure Gogo, varukufara zvisingaite. And then nesuwo patinofono unonyatsonzwa kuti aiwa mama izvinezvi varukufara. Chero nesuwo tirikunzwa kufara kuti we managed to do something for her for a long time. We could not do it. But Mwari vangotigonesa iko zvinezvi kuti tigone kuzviita. So we are so happy for her kuti vazokwanisawo kugarawo vakasunungukawo zvekuti vanenge vasinganyanyise kutambudzika. Vachigarawo panenge pari a bit comfortable. We do our best as a children kuti tivapewo zvatinokwanisawo sevana. But the purpose of this was to say ndinokutenda zvakanyanyisisa munin'ina wangu. Uramba wakadaro, uramba uchingoita zvakanaka sezvaunongoita saizvozvo. Mwari vanokukumburira. And you'll be always in my prayers, honestly. What you did, wakatitira zvinhu zvikuru chokwadi. Thank you so much. Dapa paine rimwe inzwi rinopfuura kuti thank you randinoziva ndingadai ndaritaura. Because word ringoti thank you ka rinotorerutsa how I'm feeling in my heart. But thank you so much and God bless you.